So today I'm doing a mobile repair. I gotta move the cylinder out right here before I cut the rest of it out. So that's just to get that to fall out. Once you pull that pin out of right there. And then I gotta cut this piece of the frame off where it was bent at and put the tube and stuff back. They're gonna replace their own expanded metal. All right, here we go. This piece has been fabricated that we're gonna install on a weld. Exact replica of what was there. We got to weld on these tabs back on there. And this is gonna go back on the side, right over here. From here to here. And we got a little repair to make down there. Putting that piece back together. And we will be done with this project.